And we're going to take a live look now at I-80, which is now back open, but chain control is still up over Donner Summit. Here's a look at those conditions out there right now. You can see some snow and frost there covering up our traffic camera. We know that CHP has been reporting multiple spinouts. There's been traffic collisions, and they say that if you don't have to be out on the road, you probably should not be out there. To talk a little bit more about the snow and just all the weather that's happening in Northern California, Gail Long is joining us now. Hey, Gail.
Hello, Dan. Yes, take a look at radar for all that snow. This is the same system that brought us rain. Now it is busy in the Sierra and the Central Valley there, so not advised to travel. We are still under a winter storm warning for the folks in the Sierra, as you can see, stretching all the way from Truckee, even north of that, down to the Central Valley. So what that means, we're expecting heavy snow about 1 to 2 feet above 7,000 feet, 5 to 10 inches elsewhere, gusty winds, so not ideal to travel. And I think that video we showed says it all. So it's not a good idea for tonight and even tomorrow morning. So that winter storm warning is in effect till about 4 a.m. Even after that, you want to be careful. So near whiteout conditions and possible road closures. So definitely bring your chains if you're planning to head out there. Maybe Sunday afternoon, Monday looks like the better days to travel. But just always a good idea to have that emergency kit handy. Back here in the Bay Area, we're mostly clear out there. We had that rain. Now it's all about the chilly temperatures. Low 40s at this 8 p.m. hour for the North Bay, low 50s for us in the South Bay. And this is a difference 24 hours ago. We're down 5 degrees in Santa Rosa, down 4 degrees down in the South Bay, and there's a bit of a breeze out there. It is chilly. I just stepped out in the city right here at our office in San Francisco. It is cold out there, so you want to bring that jacket if you're heading out tonight. And there is a frost advisory in place for our stretching from Sonoma County all the way down to San Jose, temperatures down to the low 30s. Then when I come back, we'll have more about that in a few minutes. Back to you.
Well, let's talk about the forecast. We know we've got some snow falling in the Sierra. We're taking a live look right now at downtown San Francisco from our Sutro Tower camera. A little rain earlier today. Looks like that's cleared out of the region. Gail Long joining us with a look at what we can expect. Hey, Gail.
Hello, Dan. Yes, that rain came by fast, and now we have mostly clear skies out there, but it is chilly out there. So here's a look at the radar. That activity now moving on to the Sierra, bringing snow out there, so not a good idea to travel tonight and tomorrow morning. As you can see here, very busy and dangerous conditions. That winter storm warning is in effect until 4 a.m. tomorrow, so we're expecting heavy snow out there, 1 to 2 feet above 7,000 feet, 5 to 10 inches elsewhere, and of course, possibly whiteout conditions. Now, here's a Futurecast model, what we can expect for the rest of our weekend. As you can see, we are mostly clear here on the map. That those showers have moved on out of the Bay Area. Sunday looks sunny out there, so that'll be a nice break from the rain. We start to see some clouds roll in Monday, and the next chance of rain looks like it's coming Tuesday here. And these are small systems, but they are cold as well. A cold air mass. And speaking of that, there is a frost advisory that goes into effect midnight tonight until Sunday morning. So all the way from Sonoma County, the North Bay, stretching down to the South Bay in San Jose, chilly temperatures down to the low 30s and mid 30s. So as you can see, you'll be waking up to about freezing level in Santa Rosa and 36 degrees all the way in San Jose. We will be warming up to the 50s though, so slightly below seasonable average this time of year, but we will be dry for the 49ers game. Kickoff 125, low 50s there with a light breeze, 7-day forecast. Nice sunny day on Sunday, and then we have an unsettled pattern Tuesday, Wednesday, and another system, possibly some heavy rain next Saturday. Back to you.
All right, Gail, thanks a lot. Well, with that, we want to get you a check of your 4-zone forecast tonight. We're taking a look at I-80 in Truckee near Donner Lake. You can see the snow piling up there on the camera. Gail Long joining us now to look at what to expect. Hey, Gail.
Yeah, that area is just coming out of a winter storm warning, but as you can see, those roads still slick out there, so still not a good idea. You want to keep those chains handy if you do decide to travel, but just keep that in mind. Here's the loop from the last 24 hours. Take a look at this system. This is the same system that brought us rain, and take a look at that. Wow, just coming in fast, bringing all that snow to the Sierra. And now fast forward to just the last few hours, you can see that precipitation has now dissipated, and that is what allowed that winter storm warning to lift in some parts. But there is still a warning in effect for Mammoth Lakes if you're heading down south of Kirkwood over there, but as you can see, it's no red on this map. That warning has lifted. Conditions, though, are chilly. 19 degrees in Truckee, 22 degrees in South Lake Tahoe at this hour. So bundle up the next 3 days. So it looks like Sunday, Monday is mostly sunny, and then Monday looks like we'll warm up to the 40s, and then another round of snow showers on Tuesday. So just keep those chains in hand. They keep it handy. Keep an emergency kit just in case, because we are getting into that season with that unsettled pattern. Back here in the Bay Area, it is all about the cold temperatures. So right now we're still in the 40s, low 40s in Santa Rosa. It's about to drop down to the low 30s overnight. And then Half Moon Bay, you're at 50 degrees. San Francisco, 47 degrees. There is a bit of a breeze out there. So if you are out, or you were out earlier, you definitely felt that chill in the air. Here's your 10 at 10 outlook, because we are in January and it looks like and feels like winter. So Sunday, Monday, we get that nice break from the rain here. Clouds start to roll in Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. We're expecting just a light system here. This is more beneficial rain. And then we get another system at the back end of the week. Friday and Saturday, we're talking heavy rain and another snowmaker for the Sierra. So get ready for that. We're still fine-tuning that forecast. I'll be back in a few minutes with your final outlook. Back to you.
Gail, thanks a lot.
Yes, the rain has come and gone, and now we're going to be talking about chilly temperatures overnight for the next few days. I'll be back with your forecast after the break.